Good morning, students. Now we are discussing chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Till now we discussed some properties. There are some more properties regarding them. Among them, the first one is aldol condensation. Before going to discuss about this one, I will discuss some points regarding that one. This is also one of the named reaction, one of the very important named reaction. Before going to discuss about that reaction, I want to discuss about one point regarding alpha carbon. Alpha carbon means if a carbon atom is attached to either functional group or prefix nothing but substituent or carbocation or carbanion or free radical carbon, then that carbon is considered as alpha carbon atom. I repeat once again, listen carefully. If a carbon atom is attached to either functional group or prefix nothing but substituent or carbocation or carbanion or free radical carbon, then that carbon atom is considered as alpha carbon atom, and a hydrogen which is present on alpha carbon atom is called alpha hydrogen. For example, see CH3CHO. CH3CHO. In this molecule, this CHO is a functional group. To this CHO, CH3 is attached. That means this carbon is attached with that functional group, so that this carbon is considered as alpha carbon. To undergo aldol condensation, the molecule should have two conditions. I repeat once again that point, listen carefully. To undergo aldol condensation, the molecule should have two conditions or two properties. One is the molecule should have either aldehyde group or keto group, aldehyde or ketone group. Second one, alpha hydrogen. Second one is what? Alpha hydrogen. See, in this molecule, functional group is present, that is what? Aldehyde group. So first condition is satisfied. Second condition is what? Alpha hydrogen. What is alpha hydrogen? The hydrogen which is present on alpha carbon is called alpha hydrogen. In this molecule, three hydrogens attached to this carbon. This carbon is alpha carbon. Here three hydrogens are there. Those three hydrogens are what? Alpha hydrogens. We need at least one alpha hydrogen to undergo aldol condensation. So this molecule definitely undergoes aldol condensation. So what is the reaction? See, CH3CHO plus CH3CHO. That means here I have taken two aldehyde molecules. Both are having aldehyde groups and both are having alpha hydrogen. So definitely the molecules undergoes aldol condensation, no doubt. And this reaction takes place in the presence of dilute NaOH. Then this product is formed by addition. That means when these two molecules undergo addition, this molecule will be formed. When this molecule undergo heating, then we get this molecule by eliminating water. So this is all about aldol condensation. For this reaction, one mechanism is there. I will discuss the mechanism now. For this reaction, mechanism is there. Mechanism means what? How products are formed from reactants. In that mechanism, three steps are there. First step is formation of carbanion. What is the meaning of carbanion? If a carbon possesses negative charge in a molecule or species, then that species is considered as carbanion. That means in the first step of the mechanism, carbanion is formed. That is the meaning of that step. So what we have to do? First, we have to take one aldehyde molecule. See, this is aldehyde molecule. It can be written as like this: CH2HCHO. That means I have written this alpha hydrogen separately. When this aldehyde molecule reacts with the base, nothing but OH minus, then this hydrogen will be removed along with OH minus, then we get carbanion, that is CH2 minus CHO. That is the first step, that is called what? Formation of carbanion. Second step is what? In the second step, this molecule reacts with another aldehyde molecule. Then what happen? This negative charge is going to attack at a positive part of the carbonyl carbon. That means here. Then we get this molecule, that is CH3CO minus H CH2CHO. CH2CHO. After that, in the third step, this molecule undergoes, I write that step here, this molecule undergoes hydrolysis. Then H plus from water going to attack here and OH minus will be eliminated. Finally we get this one, CH3 CH OH CH2 CHO plus OH minus. That means we get this one. Now we have got this product. Like that we get a product. When this product undergoes, this product undergoes heating, then elimination takes place at alpha and beta position. This is alpha position. How can we say that this is aldehyde group? The carbon which is attached to functional group is called alpha. To alpha carbon, the adjacent carbon atom is considered as beta carbon. Alpha beta elimination takes place. Then this will be removed. That means what? Water will be removed. Finally we get CH3CH. After elimination, single bond becomes double bond. If addition takes place, triple bond becomes double bond and a double bond becomes single bond. But in case of elimination, if single bond becomes double bond and a double bond becomes triple bond. Finally we get this product. That is the mechanism of the aldol condensation. Here there are some more points regarding this one. Why it is called aldol condensation? In this product, both aldehyde and alcohol group both are present. Aldehyde and alcohol. Aldehyde plus alcohol, nothing but aldol. Then why it is condensation? Because this product is formed by addition, but this product is formed by elimination. That means both addition and elimination takes place. If in a reaction both addition and elimination takes place, then it is called condensation. Next, there is one more shortcut is there to form the product, that is C. In first step, write structure of aldehyde. In second compound, write alpha hydrogen separately. Then see, this hydrogen is directly going to attack at this oxygen, and this carbon is directly attack at this carbon. Because after removing hydrogen from this carbon, then this carbon gets negative charge. This negative charge carbon going to attack at this carbonyl carbon. Why? This carbonyl carbon exhibits positive charge because oxygen having more electronegativity. Finally we get this product, CH3 CH OH CH2 CHO. See, CH3 CH OH CH2 CHO, CH3 CH OH CH2 CHO. This is shortcut. You better to remember this model. Then you will get a clear idea. After elimination, what happened? When it undergoes heating, elimination takes place. Then we get this product, CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. That means this OH and H. Elimination always takes place from adjacent carbon atoms. Finally we get this one. Next, there is one more point, one more important point, that is, in aldol condensation we should take two same aldehyde molecules. we should take two same aldehyde molecules. That is about aldol condensation. Next, there is one more condensation, that is ketol condensation. In ketol condensation also we have to take two same ketone molecules. That also takes place in the presence of dilute NaOH. Same mechanism takes place, we get this product. I will show the shortcut like this for this reaction. See what we have to do. In the first structure we have to write ketone separately. In the second structure we have to write alpha hydrogen separately. Then we get product like this. This hydrogen is going to attack here and this carbon is going to attack here. Then we get which one? CH3 COH CH3 CH2 CO CH3. When this compound undergoes heating, what happens? Elimination takes place at alpha and beta position. This is alpha, this is beta. This OH and this H undergo eliminate. Then we get CH3 CH3 double bond CH CO CH3. This is the product formed in ketol condensation. Next one, crossed aldol condensation. Crossed aldol condensation means in this case we have to take two different aldehyde molecules. In this case we have to take two different aldehyde molecules, but both should have alpha hydrogens. Then we get four products. In previous two reactions only we get one product, but in this case we get four products. How four products are formed? When this molecule reacts with one more CH3CHO molecule, we get one product. When this molecule reacts with one more CH3CH2CHO, then we get one product. Next, when this molecule reacts with this one, we get one product. When this molecule reacts with this one, then we get one more product. Like that we get four products. I will show the mechanism here. That is, see, first product CH3. What we have to do? We have to write aldehyde structure separately in the first compound. Second compound, what we have to do is write alpha hydrogen separately. This hydrogen is going to attack here, this carbon is going to attack here. Then we get one product, that is CH3 CH OH CH CH3 CHO. When this undergoes elimination, that means this carbon is going to attack here. When this undergoes elimination, heating, then water undergo elimination. Then we get this one CH3 CH double bond C CH3 CHO. See, this is the product we have got here. Now we are going to get this one. How it will be obtained? When this compound reacts with this one, in what we have to do in first structure, every time we have to write aldehyde structure separately. In second structure, what we have to do? Alpha hydrogen separately. CH2H. Now this will be first, this will be second. This hydrogen is going to attack here, this carbon is going to attack here. Then we get which one? CH3 CH2 CHOH CH2 CHO. When it undergoes elimination, elimination takes place at alpha and beta position. Then water undergo eliminated. We get CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH CHO. CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH CHO. CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH CHO. Next, this product already we have got in aldol condensation. Now I am going to get this one. That means when this molecule reacts with the same type of that molecule, then we get that product. I will show that one here. CH3 CH2 C double bond OH plus CH3 CH CHO. Then this hydrogen is going to attack here. And then this carbon is going to attack here. Finally we get CH3 CH2 CHOH CH CH3 CHO, and it undergoes heating. CH3 CH2 CH double bond C CH3 CHO. That means CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH double bond CH3 CH3 CHO. So these two products are called self products. Self means when this molecule reacts with the same type of this molecule, then we get one product, that is self. So this is also formed by two molecules of this one. Crossed products means when this compound reacts with this one or this compound reacts with this one, then we get crossed product. This is about crossed aldol condensation.